Hi everyone, here I have a very nice mathematical expression and we have to solve this without calculator. So let's start. Now I have these numbers 9 to the power 5, 9 to the power 4, 9 to the power 3, 9 to the power 2 and 9 to the power 1. So I can pair these two. Here I can take common as 9 to the power 4. What left inside? 9 to the power 1 plus 1. So next I can take common as 9 to the power 2 and here left 9 to the power 1 plus 1 plus 9. So here I get 9 to the power 4, 9 plus 1 will be 10 plus 9 to the power 2, 9 plus 1 will be 10 plus 9. So now next I can take common 10 from these two. So I will take the common as 10 and what left inside 9 to the power 4 plus 9 to the power 2 plus 9. Now next I can again take common from this as 9 to the power 2. So it will be 9 to the power 2 inside and plus 1 plus 9. So next I can write this as, because I know that 9 to the power 2 is 81. So, and 9 to the power 2 is 81 plus 1 plus 9. So next I can write this as 10 times 81 and times 82 plus 9. So I can write this as 81 can be written as 80 plus 1 and 82 can be written as 80 plus 2 plus 9. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace this 80 by x. So let x is equals to 80 to make it more easy. So this is 10 and it will be x plus 1, x plus 2 plus 9. So further I can write this by multiplying both. X multiplied by x will be x square, x multiplied by 2, 2x, x multiplied by 1 with x, and 2 multiplied by 1 is 2 plus 9 and this is 10. So now simplify this. X square plus 2 plus 1x is 3x plus 2 plus 9. Now again I can replace this x as I let that x is equals to 80. So it will be 80 square plus 3, 80 plus 2 plus 9. So now it will be, as I can solve it easily, 8 and 8 will be 64 and it's power 2, so there will be 2 zeros, plus 8 3 is 24, 1 0 plus 2 and plus 9. So further let's add ones place, it will be 2, tens place 4, hundreds place it will be 6 and thousand 6642 times 10 plus 9. So it will be 6642 multiplied by 10 will be 66,420 plus 9. So it will be 66,429. That is the answer.